Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel MNR Physics. This is session 24 of third semester BSc Physics course. In this session, we are going to derive the expression for energy density in an electrostatic field. Energy density. We know that there is an outward force acting on the surface of a charged conductor. This outward force acting per unit area of the surface is called as electrostatic pressure. The effect of this electrostatic pressure on the surface of the charged conductor is to do some work. The surface gets displaced, and while doing this work, energy is stored. The energy is stored in the form of electrostatic potential energy in the medium. This energy stored per unit volume of the medium is called as energy density. So now we are able to define the term energy density. It is the energy stored per unit volume of the medium. Now we are going to derive the expression for energy density. Expression for energy density. Now let us consider a small portion of a conductor having the surface area ds. Now the outward force acting on the surface per unit area is called as electrostatic pressure. This electrostatic pressure is equal to half epsilon naught E square. Here E is the electric field which is directed outwards. The effect of this electrostatic pressure is to displace the surface. Let us assume that the surface gets displaced through a small distance dl. There is a small change in volume. Now, the outward force per unit area, that is electrostatic pressure, acting on the surface of the charged conductor is given by P is equal to force by area. This is equal to half epsilon naught E square. Call this as equation 1. As you know already, epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space and E is the electric field. This implies the force F is equal to pressure into area. This is equal to half epsilon naught E square into ds. Call this as equation 2. Now, the effect of this force is to do some work. The work done by the force W is equal to, you know the basic definition of work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. This is equal to half epsilon naught E square into ds into displacement is, observe the figure, displacement is, we assumed it as equal to dl. Now, the change in volume due to this work done, the change in volume, let us take this change in volume is equal to dV. This is equal to area into displacement. dV is equal to area is ds into displacement is dl. So, the work done per unit volume W divided by dV is equal to half epsilon naught E square. From this equation, W is equal to half epsilon naught E square into ds into dl, but ds into dl gives us the change in volume. Therefore, work done per unit volume is equal to half epsilon naught E square. This work done, is stored as electrostatic potential energy. Potential energy in the medium. This energy stored per unit volume is called as energy density. Therefore, energy density U is equal to half epsilon naught E square. This is the expression for energy density.